He has bite marks on that thing. What is that? I'm back home now, and tomorrow the guys are gonna work in the condo. I gotta get everything out of these cabinets because we're gonna redo the entire kitchen, new cabinets, countertops, and floor. This kitchen is a little outdated, and we moved here a few months ago, but haven't gotten around to doing the kitchen just yet. So gotta get everything out and prepare because they're gonna be here tomorrow morning. Wow, you got a mess in here. These bite marks? Okay. I'm sorry. Don't be a crybaby. No. There's no crying. No. There's no crying. No. Oh my gosh. Is he hungry? Why is he crying? What is he? Here, let me borrow that. Can I have it? Thank you. No, William, baby. No. There's no crying. No. Hey, you're a big boy. No. No crying. Here. No, baby. Shh. Okay. Here we go. But no. No crying. What